Hey everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to start private listening session in Spotify. So if you guys have friends on Spotify and you don't want them to find out what you're currently listening to on the app, so you can just start the listening sessions, and I'm going to show you how. So here on the Spotify apps, just go to settings at the top right, and then here at the setting page, just scroll down until you find the social sections, this one's right here, and then you'll find the private session. So you just click on this circles right here until it turns to gray to start a private session to listen anonymously, so that your followers won't see what you're currently listening to on the apps. Okay, so I think that's all. That's pretty easy tutorial. So that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.